Hi. Well, I'd like to start by apologizing for being back on the headset mic. Technical issues, as they say. A recap of the week's activity in the stock market, and I refer to the Dow Jones specifically. Down last week over 1,000 points. This week, before the stock market even opened on Monday, it was down an additional 1,000 points. Since then, we've rallied, and this week is closing out 200 points higher than last week. So after falling 1,000, it's risen 1,200 points. What you're looking at here is today's activity, and starting to give you some context on the left before this point right over there. This is where yesterday's market closed. This is overnight. This is when it became midnight in my time zone, and this is the rest of the day. You can see that yesterday the stock market had given up its entire gain of 250 points and rallied about, let's see, 16,275 to 16,650, so 3 to 650. 350 points in the last half hour. Nobody knows what caused that buying frenzy. Perhaps shorts worried about a buying frenzy. In any case, we came into today, and you can see that after initially going a little higher, overnight we opened down and spent most of the day down. If you ignore the last bar, it certainly looked like the market was going to fail, but then rallied, and you could look at this previous high in this time period here. Took out that high where a lot of people would have had buy stops. So you might be a little suspicious of this move. But when you look at the weekly chart, I'm going to change to the DIA, which is the Dow Jones, which only trades during market hours. As you can see, it doesn't have any of the overnight activity when the futures market was open. And look, we have a cursor. If we go to the weekly, you see a hammer. Hammer is a profound rejection of an extreme price, and it generally portends higher prices. I still think our problems remain, but seeing this technical indicator does give me pause, and I am not short into the weekend. Granted, these things are voodoo and mysticism, and nobody knows if they work or why they work if they do. But sometimes they do. And when I see a big hammer on the weekly, I'm inclined not to get in the way of it. It's been an amazing week. I'll give you a recap, or maybe I'll post a summation of all the videos that I posted during the week. I don't know if there's interest in that. But in any case, for the short term, it seems positive. I caution you, though, that nothing has been fixed. Just because the can is still bumping forward doesn't mean that we know where the wall is, where the can will stop. I wish you all the best and good luck.